Welcome to Facts Info, your source for fascinating facts and enlightening information. Optical illusions deceive our brains. They trick our brains into seeing something that isn't there or perceiving something differently from reality. Visual system limitations. Optical illusions exploit the limitations and quirks of our visual system, which processes and interprets visual information. Ambiguous figures. These illusions present images that can be interpreted in multiple ways, causing confusion for our brains as they try to settle on a single interpretation. Motion illusions. These illusions create the perception of movement or motion in static images, even though no movement is actually occurring. Color illusions. These illusions play with our perception of color, brightness, and contrast to create effects such as color spreading or color adaptation. Depth perception illusions. These illusions manipulate depth cues like shading, perspective, and overlapping to create the illusion of depth or flatness. Size constancy. Optical illusions can challenge our perception of size constancy, which is our ability to perceive objects as maintaining the same size despite changes in distance or viewing angle. The Gestalt principles. These principles describe how our brains organize visual elements into meaningful patterns and forms, influencing how we perceive optical illusions. The Ponzo illusion. In this illusion, two identical lines appear to be different lengths due to the presence of converging lines or linear perspective cues. The Muller-Lyer illusion. This illusion consists of two lines with arrow-like tails at their ends, causing one line to appear longer than the other, even though they are the same length. The Ebbinghaus illusion. In this illusion, the perceived size of a central object is influenced by the size of surrounding objects, leading to misjudgments of relative size. The Knežár triangle. This illusion involves the perception of a triangle that isn't actually drawn but is suggested by the arrangement of Pac-Man-like shapes and angles. The Ames room. This is a distorted room that creates the illusion of people growing or shrinking as they move from one side to the other, due to cleverly manipulated depth cues. The Penrose stairs. Also known as the impossible staircase, this illusion depicts a staircase that loops back on itself endlessly, creating the illusion of perpetual ascent or descent. The rotating snakes illusion. In this illusion, static images of snakes appear to rotate continuously due to the arrangement of contrasting colors and patterns. The spinning dancer illusion. This animation depicts a silhouette of a dancer spinning clockwise or counterclockwise, with viewers often unable to perceive the direction change. The Necker cube. This illusion presents a wireframe cube that can be perceived as rotating in different directions, despite remaining a two-dimensional drawing. The Hermann grid illusion. In this illusion, dark spots appear at the intersections of a grid, even though there are no actual spots present, due to the way our visual system processes contrast and edge detection. Cognitive biases. Optical illusions can also reveal the presence of cognitive biases, such as our tendency to interpret ambiguous information in ways that confirm our existing beliefs or expectations. Please subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Thanks for watching the video.